We all know that those that act fast reap the rewards. So what if I told you that TikTok Shop could be your golden ticket to scaling your business and getting past your competition, particularly in 2025? It's not just a trend, it's probably the future of e-com, and today I'm breaking down exactly how you can use TikTok Shop to grow your brand, boost sales, and dominate your niche. It's a really big opportunity. I really think you should stick around. Hey, I'm Leighton. I run a Shopify agency that helps stores scale profitably with customer acquisition, so all your paid ads and your content, and also retention strategies, so your email, SMS, your reviews, and your loyalty. We work with brands like the ones you see below, and they range in apparel, beauty, supplement, toys, and any other D2C category you can think of. So before this, I headed up customer acquisition and paid ads for a company called Ask Paul, which was acquired for 8 figures. And now the CEO of that business is now my business partner in this agency. So we definitely know a thing or two about scaling up businesses and also driving real enterprise value. So let's start with the basics. TikTok Shop is TikTok's integrated shopping feature that allows users to discover, browse, and buy products directly within the app. So think of it like a seamless blend of social media and e-com. So where entertainment meets shopping. So what makes TikTok Shop so powerful is the combination of short form video content and direct purchasing. So you're not just showing off your products, you're creating a shopping experience essentially. It's engaging, it's fun, and it's very frictionless. And the best part, TikTok's algorithm ensures your products get in front of the right audience. First things first, you need to know how to set up your TikTok Shop. So here's how. Number 1, create a seller account. So head over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center and sign up. Make sure your business details, like all your tax information and bank details, are ready. Secondly, after that, go ahead and upload your product. So high quality images and clear product descriptions are a must, of course. TikTok Shop is all about aesthetics, so you make sure that your product really stands out. So number 3, if you already have an e-commerce site, go ahead and link that with your Shopify, connect it to your TikTok Shop and sync your inventory. Now that's going to streamline all your orders. TikTok isn't just a platform for ads, it's a storytelling powerhouse. So here's how to create content that sells. So number 1, you've heard this a million times, focus on the hook. The first 3 seconds are everything. Start with something eye-catching like, "You won't believe how this product changed my life," or "Watch this if you're tired of messy kitchens." Number 2, a good one, show, don't tell. So demonstrate your product in action. TikTok users want to see how it works, whether it's a gadget, skincare, or clothing. Show the product in its use case and in its environment. Number 3 is probably a big one, so use trends and try to incorporate trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. So this is definitely going to boost your chances of going viral and reaching a new audience, and it's also going to make your content a bit more digestible for people. Everybody loves a good trend, everybody wants to keep up the know with what trends are working, so yeah, it's definitely going to increase your chances. Number 4, call to action. Always include a clear CTA like shop now or link in bio to get yours. Make it easy for users to buy. Creators are the backbone of TikTok Shop success. So here's how to make the most of those partnerships. Choose the right influencers or creators. Look for creators whose audience aligns with your target market. Micro influencers, so those that are like 10, 30, 50, maybe even up to 100k followers, they often have higher engagement rates and they're probably also more affordable. So make sure you tap in with them. So gift and affiliate programs, so offer influencers free products in exchange for reviews or affiliate links. TikTok's affiliate program makes it easier for influencers to earn commission, so incentivizing them as much as possible to just keep pushing your products. And also work with creators that they create content that feels authentic and it really taps into their own unique style. So this is going to build trust and it's going to drive more conversions because people are going to feel the authenticity from them, and it's also just going to come across a lot more authentic. So TikTok ads can turbocharge your growth. So here's how to make them work for you. So number 1, have your in-feed ads. So they're going to blend seamlessly with organic content. Use engaging visuals and strong CTAs to drive those clicks. You also have Spark ads. So they're going to really amplify UGC content or influencer posts by turning them into ads. They're going to feel more authentic and perform better. And then, yeah, obviously your targeting. So TikTok ads platform is incredibly precise. Focus on interest behaviors and lookalike audiences to make sure that you reach the right customers. And then measure and adjust. Use TikTok ads manager to track performance, tweak your campaigns, test different creative captions and call to actions to see what works best for you. I really think that this is one of the most important things. Selling on TikTok isn't just about the transaction, it's actually hugely about connection, and one of the big things I love you to focus on for this year is building a loyal community. Engage with your comments. So reply to comments on your videos. This is going to boost your engagement. It's going to build trust with your audience. Host TikTok lives like shopping events. They're going to be a huge game changer. showcase your products, answer questions, and offer exclusive discounts to viewers who are in the lives. Highlighting customer stories is good, so share UGC and testimonials to create social proof. When people see others loving your product, they're more likely to buy. I think that's quite an obvious one, but it works really well on TikTok. And there you have it. That's your roadmap to scaling your brand with TikTok Shop. So from setting up your store to creating viral content, leveraging influencers, running ads, building a community, these strategies are proven to work, and the only question is, are you ready to start? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more actionable tips. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to be trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.